McGahn's testimony is of interest to Democrats in Congress because of the role he played in special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation into whether Trump obstructed justice. McGahn was cited more than 150 times in Mueller's report. One of the key episodes recounts that Trump asked McGahn repeatedly in 2017 to fire Mueller and that McGahn refused to do so. Trump has denied it.
I never told Don McGahn to fire Mueller. If I wanted to fire Mueller, I would have done it myself. It's very simple. I had the right to.
The U.S. Justice Department issued a legal opinion Monday saying Congress may not constitutionally compel the president's senior advisors to testify about their official duties. McGahn's refusal to testify escalates the tensions between the executive and legislative branches of the U.S. government and may end up in court, says political analyst Shannon Bow O'Brien.
And I think he's betting on the fact the Supreme Court and the federal courts, partially because of the people he's appointed in the courts, are going to back him up. I do think that's a dangerous game to play, though, because the judiciary is also not going to want to see erosion of their power. Even if they see congressional power getting eroded, the judiciary may stand firm. And I really think that's the game that's going on, is I think executives really trying to erode power out of Congress.
Legislative, executive, and judicial branches are separate but equal parts of the U.S. government. Allowing one to prevail would compromise the system known as checks and balances.
One of the things I think a lot of people forget is there are three co-equal branches. None of them are little brothers or little sisters to the other. They're all co-equals. And I think Trump is attempting at times to set the executive higher than congressional, which is organization it shouldn't be, and pull judicial under the wing as well to get them to do what they want, almost like a younger sibling. And I do think it's dangerous.
The chairman of the House Judiciary Committee, Jerry Nadler, a Democrat from New York, has threatened to hold McGahn in contempt of Congress if he does not testify. The committee has already voted to hold Attorney General William Barr in contempt of Congress for his refusal to provide members with a full, unredacted version of Mueller's report. Democrats have said they're looking into imposing fines on the federal officials who refuse to comply with congressional subpoenas. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.